Firewalls segment networks and control traffic through distinct physical and logical interfaces. Let's explore how WAN, LAN, DMZ, and specialized interfaces secure modern digital infrastructure. Every firewall acts as a central checkpoint, binding physical ports to specific security zones, untrusted WAN, trusted LAN, semi-trusted DMZ, and isolated management. The WAN interfaces directly with untrusted external networks. By default, firewalls enforce a strict implicit deny policy for all inbound WAN connections. Only outbound connections initiated from internal nodes, along with stateful return responses, are allowed through the WAN interface. The LAN interface manages trusted internal traffic. Modern enterprise firewalls use sub-interfaces and VLAN 802.1q tags to enforce microsegmentation between subnets. Inspecting internal traffic prevents unauthorized lateral movement across subnets in the event of an internal compromise. The DMZ interface isolates publicly accessible servers such as web, email, or proxy nodes into a semi-trusted zone separate from critical internal databases. Even if a DMZ public web server is exploited, firewall security policies strictly block DMZ nodes from initiating connections into the LAN. Beyond standard traffic interfaces, enterprise firewalls use high-availability sync links for real-time state table replication, and dedicated out-of-band management interfaces. Dedicated management interfaces ensure continuous admin control and monitoring even during severe network attacks or heavy congestion. Segmenting network traffic through WAN, LAN, DMZ, and dedicated management interfaces builds a resilient defense in-depth posture for any enterprise system.